Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to disable RCS messaging on Android phone. Okay, go to your message setting and go to three dots, click to settings and click to advanced settings and look in RCS chat, but I think there is no option in this device RCS chat. So what you are looking for, you are looking for like this settings and RCS settings to disable. It will be in new devices. My devices is old, that's why in not showing in this device. So but my device is not showing RCS chat. Keep searching on new model device and it will be. This is how to disable RCS messaging on Android phone. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.